Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So, I'm Jenny, by the way, and today I'm going to unbox my camera. So, I just bought it today. So, here it is. Tadaan! It's Canon M50. So, I'm so excited. So, let's get started. So, this comes, of course, with a case. And so, okay, here it is. So excited. So, hindi ko alam kung paano ko siya bubuksan. So, sisirain ko siya. Tadaan! So, guys, this camera, okay. So, this camera comes with one case, the carry bag, and 16 GB memory card. Okay. So, inside, there's a training voucher, a warranty card, and wow, kapal. Manual. Cords, cables. Okay. Here it is. Dun, dun, dun. Teka lang. Here it is. Hello, ang liit niya talaga. So, ayos natin para maayos. Comes with this, cords. What else we have here is, of course, we have the charger, and the very important thing, most important thing, the battery, and of course, the lens. So guys, here's the lens. Ang liit niya. Yeah. So, ang kalat ko. Ang kalat ko. So, ganito ako mag-unbox. Makalat. Okay. So, wala na siyang laman. So, guys, I'm excited to use this. But actually, I don't know how to use. Look at this. Yeah. So, that's it. Unboxing of my Canon M50 camera. Thank you guys for watching.